Hello, this is Anurag, motivational speaker and mind coach. I am the host of today's program, Know Yourself, sponsored by Columbia Magazine. It is well said that the root cause of any failure is fear. If you conquer your fear, your dreams will definitely come into reality. But if your fear conquers you, it destroys your dreams. So today in our show, I am interviewing a student who have set the example that conquering fear is not a big deal. Every individual has a different definition of success. For some, success might be financial achievement. For some, success might be winning trophies. For students, success might be scoring good marks in their examination. But for her, success was overcoming the fear of studies of her 12th board examination. And finally, she could able to do so and cleared her 12th board examination by scoring good marks. So I welcome Insha to our show to share her experience. Insha, welcome to our show.
Hi, thank you for having me here. It's a great pleasure to be on this show.
Okay, great. Actually, first of all, I would like to congratulate you for your board examination result.
Thank you so much.
I would be asking you some questions relevant to our topic. You will be just sharing your own experience. So, shall I start with my questions?
Yeah, sure. I think it will be fun. And I hope that people aspire.
Okay, so let me start with my first question. I just wanted to know how you felt after hearing your board examination result.
When I just saw my result, I just had a feeling of sigh of relief. A sense of satisfaction made me all the more happy.
Okay, great. So what was your expectation regarding your result?
Honestly, looking at the difficulty level of the examination, I did not have much expectations in my head. To be more precise, because the exams were so difficult, especially physics exam with having no gaps in between, so I did not expect much. But when I saw the result, I wept out of joy, and I think I was finally able to breathe freely again.
Great. I just wanted to know which subjects feared you the most.
Being a science student, obviously I had a huge fear of physics and chemistry. The vast syllabus we had, the practical examinations, all of them feared me the most, but physics and chemistry were the major ones.
Actually, I was also having the fear of chemistry and physics as well. But nowadays I am realizing that physics is my one of the favorite subject. So that's a different thing. So I would like to ask you another question. Did you follow any technique to overcome your fear?
I just kept saying to myself that I need to move on no matter what, how difficult the situation is. And being physics and chemistry being so vast, I started to jot down the marks of each chapter and then starting to study from the easiest to the most difficult concept. I think that helped me in a way to crack my examinations. And I also started to meditate every day for minimum 2 minutes in my busy schedule, that from college to tuitions and everything. I started to meditate, and I think that brought a sense of calmness in myself, and which helped me to calm myself from all the anxiety and stress.
Okay, great. Means this is a very spiritual way of calming yourself that I think that every student should try such kind of things. So it could help them to calm their mental state. It can help them to lower down their stress. We have found that the students are mostly affected due to the stress factor in their life. So it is the best way to calm yourself. Meditation, mindfulness, and there are so many different spiritual practices they should do apart from their studies.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. What is your next career plan?
I aspire to become an architect by seeking admission in a well-reputed college, and for that I'm studying for my upcoming entrance exams, JEE and NATA.
That's great, Insha. Let me ask you another question. How did you design your career path?
At first, I was really unclear as to what I really wanted to pursue. But then, with great help and support, and I should rather say guidance of my career counselor, Columbia Maxima, I was able to figure out things. I jotted down what I like and what I didn't like, and then the pros and cons of various fields. Then I had a conversation with a lot of people who are in that particular field, got their viewpoint, their own perspective, which made me more clear about I should do this or not. And then I think so I somewhere landed there that I should do architecture because it's something I see myself in 10 years or 20 years later. And I also had a great support of my family during this particular period of time because all the confusion with all the school things going on, exams, I s- was they were still calm with me. They helped me throughout, and I think I thank them a lot for this.
Great, great. That's a great thing that you plan your career in advance.
And yeah, I also had made a backup option for myself because we tend to say very now and then, what if I failed in this? So I made a backup option for myself, 2, 3 backup options. So yeah, that made me more confident that yeah, I can do architecture.
So I would appreciate this. In the last, any message you would like to give to our students?
I would like to just advise them that efforts matters the most. Like one should not get disheartened or compare themselves with others because everybody is a different one being and everybody has different ability. So one should just be thankful for the opportunities they receive in their life and just keep moving ahead in life.
Great, Insha. That was fantastic talking to you, and thanks for coming to the show. And I wish you all the best for your future endeavor. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me here. It was nice having a talk with you.